The subtraction operator, the minus sign, is used to subtract the second operand from the first in C programming. First, I'm going to include a standard I/O, and then our main function, which will return 0. And also, I need a system pass to hold to our console. And now I'm going to use integer variable a and assign its value 10. And then I will have another variable b or and set its value to 5. And now I'm going to subtract from a the value of b. So we can write, and I will store the result in a reserved variable. So I'm going to do a, then this subtraction operator or the minus b. Now result will hold the value 5 after we do the subtraction, and then I'm going to print by calling printf function. So printf and percent sign d minus percent sign d and equals to percent sign d, and over here I'm going to print a, b, and our result, and just save it and run our program and see the results. Over here, execute, compile, and run. You can see over here when we subtract 5 from 10, we get the 5 back. I just need to give some space over here so it looks better that way. And after this, I'm going to add a new line corrector so the message for system pause count on a separate line. Now just run it again. Now it is more clear and looks better. So that's the simple subtraction operator in C. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.